Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Karit. For this video lesson, we'll be discussing time of unit conversion. So without further ado, let's go to the problem. Hello class, let us discuss this topic, time conversion. For time conversion class, we have the rules to be followed. So if we are converting 24 hours clock to 12 hours clock, we have the rule. So we will use the AM if the number of hours is less than 12. If the number of hours is more than 12, then we will subtract 12 from the number of hours and we will use the PM. So in our example, we have here the 8 hours. So in 12 hours clock, we'll just write it 8 AM. We'll just write it 8 AM. Okay. So the second hours, that is 14 hours and 30 minutes. So to convert that, you have to subtract, because the rule says, here's the rule, if the number of hours is more than 12, we will subtract 12. We will subtract this 12. So we have 14 hours and 30 minutes. So we'll just subtract 12 to that. So this is 0, 3, and 2. And we will write PM. So this is 2 PM. 2:30 rather. 2:30 PM. Did you get it, class? So next hour is 00. This is 00 in 15 minutes. So when we convert that to 12 hours clock, it becomes 12:15 AM. This is AM. Okay. So next, we have also 19 hours and 45 minutes. We will just subtract 19 hours and 45 minutes, list that by 12. So that is 45. Then this is 7. 19 minus 12, that is 7. So this is 7 PM, 7:45 PM. 7:45 PM. Okay, did you get, class? Okay. Okay, so let us continue with another example. So we are still in the 24 hours clock that is converting to 12 hours clock. So 17 hours, we will just subtract it by 12, because it says if the number of hours is more than 12, then we will subtract 12 from the number of hours and write PM. So this is 17. We will subtract that with 12. Sorry. So this is 5. So we will write it as 5 PM. This is PM. Okay, did you get, class? So next is 10:45. So that is less than 12 hours here. So we will write AM. Okay, so that is 10:45 AM. Okay, so next, so 13. So that is more than 12. We will subtract 13 by 12. So that is 1. So that is 1 PM. Hapon na siya. Okay, so next we have 22 hours. So 22, subtract natin yung 12 plus, so this is 0, 1. So we have 10. So 10 PM. So nasa alas 10 na siya ng gabi. Nakuha, class? Okay, so in converting from 12 hours clock to 24 hours clock, we also have a rule. So it says if the time is before 1 PM, we write the time, we write the same time rather. If the time is beyond 1 PM, we add 12 to the number of hours. So in our example, our first example here for the time conversions of 12 hours clock to 24 hours clock is 3 PM. So the number of hours, I mean the number of hours is beyond na. Beyond siya sa 1 o'clock. So 3 PM na kasi siya eh. So we will add 12. So 12 plus 3 para sa mga bata, so that is 15. So we will write 15 hours ang ilalagay natin. Okay, so next 9 hours and 15 minutes AM. So that is before 1 PM. Okay, so if the time is before 1 PM, we write it the same. Meaning we will write 9 and 15 minutes hours yung lalagay natin. Kasi sa 24 hours, walang AM, walang PM. Okay, so we have 12 PM. So, kasi wala pa siyang 1 PM. So, 12 pa rin ang lagay natin. 12:00 hours. Kukuha, class. Ito rin 7:30 AM, that is 7:30 hours. So ito 11 na siya, 11 PM, so it goes beyond. So 11 will that add by 12. Okay, so that is 3 rather and 2. So 23 hours. This is 23 hours. Okay, so next 2:20 AM. So that is before 1 PM. So we will write it the same. So 2:20 hours. Okay, so nakuha, class. So that's all for this time conversion. So until next video, thank you for watching.